It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Saturday, the 18th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Record high temperatures likely this weekend and possibly on Monday as well. Then we'll see a cooling trend coming for the rest of the week, possibly accompanied by some rain chances Wednesday or Wednesday night. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. A few clouds in the valley at 5:50 a.m. Another very mild start to the day at Sky Harbor as well. 66 degrees right now, dew point at 39, relative humidity 37%. The winds are light, the barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area this morning, 53, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, but most of the rest of the valley is in the upper 50s to upper 60s. These are numbers that are about 10 to 15 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. Satellite picture shows a few clouds out there, especially in northern Arizona, southern Nevada, southern California. Here in south central Arizona, mostly clear. On the watch warning map, a few flood advisories out here in parts of the Intermountain West. Red flag warnings heading out into the plains of Nebraska. Dense fog advisories on the Texas and southern California coasts. And some winter weather advisories, parts of Michigan and Pennsylvania this morning. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather. Some thunder possible with a frontal boundary moving through the southeast states and a little bit out here in the west as well. So let's talk about our weather in more detail. We'll look at the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Strong high pressure located over the southern plains, and we will just be, well, we'll call it hot today. Under sunny skies, high temperatures will climb into the mid-90s. Latest guidance off the GFS suggests 95, and if that's the case, we'll break the record of 94 for the date. Tonight, we're clear and mild, lows mid-50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies again. We'll top out in the mid-90s. The GFS says 94, and that'll break the record for Sunday. Monday, we're still mostly sunny. Could see a few high clouds sneaking in here. High pressure will be scooting off to the east and weakening, but the atmospheric column will still be very warm. So despite the fact that upper heights will come down, we still have the good sun angle. We should see mostly sunny skies, so high temps will still climb into the lower 90s. The GFS says 93, and I think that's likely. Now, the record high temperature for Monday is 95. I don't think we're going to break it, but we'll be very close. Tuesday, clouds on the increase. We've got a trough developing off the west coast to see the surface low well west of Portland, Oregon. Some rain heading into the southern California coast. So partly sunny skies, a bit cooler, highs in the mid to upper 80s. As for Wednesday, many of the models are in pretty good agreement on the idea of a system moving across the area with an associated cold front, but the exact orientation, timing, depth, intensity, dynamics, all of that still very much up in the air. The GFS has been flipping and flopping as well. No real run-to-run consistency. Some days it shows rain, others it's not. The idea of rain is back on the table on this run, however. And so if this does verify, we'd have pretty good moisture tap coming in here Wednesday afternoon. Rain in Southern California, Southern Nevada, Western Arizona. And this is Wednesday night at 11 p.m. And that looks like some precipitation in here, maybe even a few thunderstorms and a pretty good soaking. But I would caution you that there's still a lot more questions than answers with this. So for now on Wednesday, I think it's just a partly sunny day with a small chance of showers, especially by Wednesday night, maybe a rumble of thunder, but I wouldn't count on that. And high temps on Wednesday, mid and upper 70s. Here's Thursday. That system moves off to the east. We're cooler. GFS has us at 71 on Thursday. That sounds nice with mostly sunny skies. We'll say low to mid 70s. On Friday, partly sunny skies, another system off the west coast. High temperatures, upper 70s to about 80. Here's a week from today, Saturday, March 25th. Another system off the Pacific Northwest coast, and that could be headed our way, but at the moment, it looks like a mostly sunny day on Saturday. High temperatures right about 80. This is Sunday, the 26th. Another short wave moving down the west coast, still taking aim on us here. High temps about 80, the sky partly sunny. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Monday, March 27th. And that looks like another unsettled weather event here. Some cooler temperatures coming in. Highs falling back into the low 70s if this were right. Maybe even cooler than that. And perhaps some chances of rain, but that's 10 days out. There's not a lot of model consistency here, so we'll just have to see on that. But the idea of a more active pattern does seem to be the trend in the medium range. Meanwhile, temperatures off the GFS ensemble, we're going to be warm this weekend. In fact, it's just hot out there. Record high temperatures today, tomorrow, And we'll be close on Monday as well. And then we cool it off for the rest of the week. And then temperatures more or less are within striking distance of normal to close out the rest of the month as we head into early April. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great weekend, everybody.